What's going on, everybody? Today we are looking at the JBL LINK 10. This is a speaker with the Google Assistant baked in. What's up, guys? Original Dobo, and this is the JBL LINK 10. It is a portable speaker with the power of the Google Assistant already baked in. The packaging is super premium, everything you would expect from JBL, right down to the device itself, which is IPX7 certified, which means it is water and dust proof. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery and a lot of dedicated buttons. Up at the top of the speaker, you're going to find a dedicated Google Assistant button, along with the volume and the play pause button. And there is also a dedicated Bluetooth button there, which is cool if you don't want to use it over Wi-Fi. At the bottom is where you can charge the LINK 10, and it charges via micro USB, so no USB-C. That 4,000 milliamp hour battery is good for 5 hours of playback, and it's hard to remiss that this speaker doesn't take cues from its brethren, the JBL Flip. When you get to the top of these speakers, that's where you noticeably see the difference, as the Flips do not contain the voice assistant. Setting the speaker up is dead simple. It's exactly like the Google Home. You use the Google Home app, it connects to Wi-Fi. Sound quality is absolutely phenomenal. It is very bassy, and I would prefer this over the actual Google Home even. At $79.99, it's really hard to pass this up. I know it's a mobile speaker, but I would probably choose this over the Google Home. I can still leave it plugged in and use it like a normal home assistant speaker. The JBL LINK 10 has been out for a little while now, but I think it's totally worth the money, and it definitely deserves a place in your home if you're looking for a home assistant type of speaker. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you already haven't. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.